Hey friends, Gary here. Very quickly, I just want to introduce to you Simplifying Travel Photography ebook. It's an ebook that I wrote designed to help you to improve your travel photos. In this ebook, I am sharing my 12 years worth of experience as an enthusiast travel photographer after visiting more than 20 countries throughout the world. You will learn the ins and outs of travel photography, such as composition, light tips, and also storytelling tips. You will also learn how to be time efficient so that you don't have to spend countless hours on location. And you will also learn about how to be gear efficient so that you don't have to lug around heavy camera gear to take great pictures, and many more. This book is filled not only with tips, tricks, tutorials, all of my secrets and all good information about travel photography. It is also filled with many beautiful pictures that I really hope you will like. And even if you're not really into travel photography, you can still find information about landscape photography, portrait, street photography in this book as well. This book really took many years for me to make, and I am proud to say that this is the culmination of my photography journey. I put a lot of effort and energy, and it also cost me a lot to make this ebook. So I really hope that you'll be able to learn more about travel photography with this book, and ultimately you'll be able to improve your photography skill. Anyway, I will put the link to the ebook right here, and I will also put a QR code right here so that you can go directly to the ebook page and be able to purchase it. I am really grateful for this release, and I once again really hope that you will like this ebook. Thank you for your support for my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.